So why defense in depth? Why should we take a layered approach to security? Isn't it overkill? Well, it's a pretty simple explanation on why we need multiple layers of security. It's because a hacker only needs to be right once, and you have to be right when it comes to defending your site every single time. And if you're wrong once, the site is compromised. So the odds are already stacked against us, and we need every advantage that we can get. And so one of the easiest ways to get that advantage is to take a layered approach to security, which is in the industry, it's called defense in depth. What that does is it gives us multiple chances at preventing a breach from happening. And you see this all over the place. You know, if you look at a federal building, for example, you might have to drive through a security gate to get into the parking lot. The security gate has cameras, the parking lot has cameras. The security starts from as you're entering the facility. You've got bulletproof glass going into the building. You've got another security station. You've got a system of logging who's going into the building electronically. You have to log in or swipe a card or whatever. There's an audit trail there that's monitored. So there's multiple layers, and it's not because they're trying to impress you when you visit their facility. It's because they're taking a layered approach to security. And it's the same in the WordPress world, where if you have a WordPress website, what you might have is Cloudflare to protect you against DDoS. You've got your Wordfence firewall that protects you against WordPress specific attacks targeting core plugins and themes. You've got the Wordfence malware scanner, and then you've got potentially Wordfence CLI running at an admin level, doing malware scans and alerting you. So you've got multiple layers. And remember, the reason you have defense in depth, the reason you have layered security is because a hacker only needs to be right once, and you need to be right every single time.